Guys, it's time for another hair review. Today I've partnered with Nadula hair, so I'm so excited for this hair review, you guys. It's another V-part wig, so you know how I love these easy put on and go wigs, so I'm really excited to try that on. So this is what their website looks like, you guys. They have so many different wigs. They have headband wigs, they have different colored wigs, different textures, they have V-part wigs. They literally have everything. You're bound to find something that works for you. I definitely recommend checking out their website. This is what their packaging looks like. I'm going to open the box and show you what the hair looks like. The hair comes packaged like this. It is Brazilian hair. So this is the wig I will be reviewing for today's video. This wig is 24 inches long, but you can get any length that you want. They range from 14 inches all the way to 24, so you can pick if you want a shorter length or a longer length. This wig is 150% density, which I think is so good, especially for curly hair. You want the curls to be really soft and bouncy, so that's great. So these are what the curls look like. They're so pretty, very defined and very soft and very natural looking. So guys, it is a V-part wig again, so you can have a leave out or you can just do it without a leave out. It's got the pins in the front, so it's nice and secure. It's got an adjustable strap right here, so you can make it tighter if you want it more snatched onto your head. So let me show you how to put this wig on. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm clipping all the clips onto my hair. So I'm trying to make it as close as I can to the parting, because it will make it easier to blend out for the next step that you will see in a moment. So now, using any comb of your choice, you want to start back combing the hair at the front. So what I mean by this is taking little strands and then pushing them as close as you can to your parting to create a different type of texture that kind of mimics your natural hair. So you want to repeat this process over and over, doing it on both sides, just back combing the hair more towards your parting, getting it as close as you can, and just making sure that you create that natural middle part or side part, just a natural seamless blend. So now what I did is I applied some water and leave-in conditioner to my hair just to make it flat, because obviously you've got loads of flyaways from all the back combing. But yeah, it's really effective if you do apply some water or some leave-in conditioner. So as you can see guys, this literally took me under 5 minutes to do. It's so easy. You can choose to leave a little bit of hair if you want to do a leave out, but I wanted to do it with no leave out because it's just a lot easier for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. Anyone that's looking to find something that is so easy, so beginner friendly, this wig is definitely for you. I have their website linked in my description, so if you want to purchase that, I will have a link for you. And yeah. So another great thing about this wig is you can style it however you want to style it. I decided to do mine like this and I absolutely loved this style. This wig is so versatile, you can explore so many options. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.